Welcome to Power Breakfast in the Mumbai News Centre.
First up, US markets ease off worst levels but end in the red.
Non-farm payrolls rose by 80,000, missing expectations for a gain of 90,000 jobs that was expected earlier.
Coming to you live from CNBC TV18's headquarters in Mumbai, this is Opening Bell with Udayan and Mithali Mukherjee.
Good morning. Welcome to Morning Call.
Gentlemen, morning to both of you. Siddharth, how are you calling it for the Nifty now in the near term?
We have been seeing that, how correlation between euro and equity markets have been working.
Here comes the first rate on the Nifty. It is around 52.87, up 9-10 points. The Sensex is up 30 odd points. So modestly positive opening.
Time now to tell you how his portfolio is faring. Voltas, like I mentioned, is a stock that's still gaining some ground. He has JSPL that he's bought into. Interesting because that stock has been a loser for a while.
Good morning. Welcome to Markets and Macros. Asian shares are subdued on poor economic data from the Eurozone.
Good afternoon. The quiet run continues. This is Business Lunch and these are our top stories. Lackluster again for the frontliners. The Nifty is hovering around 5,300. Good afternoon, folks. Good to have you on the show. Nothing special to report from the index. I'm afraid we've just gotten trapped in a range. So the market has been very, very quiet and range bound these last couple of days.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Midcap Radar. I'm Lata Venkatesh. With me is Gautam Broker. The markets are not doing much at this point in time.
The mid and small caps are outperforming. As I said, retail, rice stocks, sugar, fertilizer, mid-cap banks are seeing some bite.
Good afternoon. It's been a very good last 1 hour of trade and markets certainly have picked up in the late session today. Now approaching 53.50, something that did not look very likely earlier in the morning.
53.45, so just shy of that 53.50 level. We've covered quite a bit of ground in one trading session alone. 240 points up on the Sensex as well.
This is After the Bell on CNBC TV18. I'm Nayantara Ryan. Here's a quick check of the top stories we're tracking this Tuesday. Industry body SIAM cuts FY13 car sales growth forecast as car makers take a production cut to align themselves with market demand. Rima, how is trading this Tuesday?
Well, it turned out to be a strong finish for our markets. We had a gap up opening, but the Nifty was hovering around that 5,300 mark.
It was a subdued start to the week for the markets on poor global cues. Nifty down about 40 points and the Sensex down 130 points.
Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of Markets Today. I'm Udayan Mukherjee. A late rally carries the Nifty to 53.50. Banking, infra, auto and metal stocks lead the up move. That's the market for you today. It was not a bad session. In fact, a surprising rally in the last 1 hour of trade.
I think it will be a slow grind. I don't expect anything meaningfully positive to come out.
And here's a look at the other top stories. We're tracking poor global cues keep the stock market on the back foot. The Nifty down 41, the Sensex drops 129. The IMG's reply will be sent to the Prime Minister's office for his approval. Akanksha Sethi joins us now with more details.
Billion saying that the retrospective amendment was not in spirit of the treaty.
If we find the need and the price is right, we can look at these options to bring down our debts in the future.
Let's go straight to our top story, and this is a CNBC TV18 exclusive.
Vijay Mallya's acquisition of this brand, White & Mackey, helped United Spirits reach the top of the global pyramid.
The RBI has shown a red flag to a government proposal to relax non-performing asset norms for textile companies. And Rituparna Bhuyan has more details on the textile debt restructuring package.
In just about 40 days after this policy was announced, it now seems that RBI has problems with certain key features of the policy.
Good evening. I'm Menaka Doshi. Your World at 10 starts now. 10-year yields in Europe continue to cause concern. The Spanish 10-year perilously close to 7%. The euro area finance chiefs are expected to give Spain the green light to relax its budget deficit targets.
Well, we're down about 65 points or so off the lows. Asian markets ended in the red, compounded by fears that the region's top economies are not insulated against the impact of the global slowdown.